So this is like my 15th take trying to record my I'm back video. I don't know exactly how to do it, so I'm just going to try and do it this time. First of all, I'm back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. It's been quite a few months, and I've just had some sporadic things, but I'm going to be back on a weekly or at least recurring schedule as best I can, I think. The reason I've been gone has been, number one, I've been working really hard on the Composing Career Bootcamp. If you haven't seen about that, that is linked in the description. I don't even think I'm going to plug it in this video in particular, but it is gone really well. We're launching Cohort 2 in April, so if you're interested, I'd love to see you there. Second update, I moved. If you can see the new location, we've actually moved to a new place, and we're just thrilled with it. But obviously moving was a lot of time and money and effort, so I was really busy focused on that. The third reason, which is what I wanted to spend a little bit of extra time talking about, is like many other content creators on YouTube at the start of 2024, I felt really burnt out. Over time, I have felt a bit disconnected from the content that I've been making. I enjoy what I make, but I feel like in an effort to keep everything really condensed and high value for you all, I've sort of lost my ability to share more about me and my journey and just leave that space to talk with you all openly. I want to regain that, but it is hard for me to do that because I, like a lot of people, feel that pressure to please the algorithm gods, that, I got to make something that's high value, high impact, no breaks, no silences, no cuts, no nothing like that. And it's just tiring. I don't know what that's going to look like for the channel. I don't know what kind of content I'm going to make. I would love to be able to talk more about certain things instead of just showing you music theory stuff. And yeah, I know that's going to alienate some of my audience members, and that's fine. If you're just here for tutorials, you can just pop in when you want to see that or find other tutorials. But I would like to spend some time rebuilding this sense of community that I once had on this channel. And I hope that you are down and around for that journey, because I would love to be able to share more of these sorts of things that I'm passionate about. I'd also love to just make videos that I want to make. Just because a harmony video does really well, I don't want to make it just because it does well. I want to make stuff that I'm genuinely passionate about. And I have a couple videos that are going to be coming out really soon, if not in the next day or two, that are things that I'm really passionate about. So I hope that you'll stick around for that. That's kind of it. Really just wanted to make a quick update video to share where I've been, because I feel like I owe that to you all. And a huge thank you to everybody who has stuck around on my Patreon. I know that it's been a long time since I shared stuff with you, but in the next day or two, you're going to be getting stuff. So thank you for everybody who's stuck there and supported me. We're just about to hit 100,000, I think. We're just a couple thousand away. So, man, yeah, crazy. We'll talk about that when it comes. For now, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for waiting for me.